Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k plus 1 is equals to k, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this question and which of the roots are extraneous root. Here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So if in your exam the question is that find the roots of this equation or find the values of k, so if your question is this type, you can find the value of k. So you just do the first method, and if your question is that find the solution of this question, or in other words, is the solution of this question exist or not, then you can just do the second method. I hope so you like both of these methods. So now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here, in order to find the values or roots of k, we need to take squaring on both of the sides, so that when we will take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as k plus 1 whole square is equals to k square. And further, in the next step, we use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. And you see here, this is our a and this is our b. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as this is a plus b, and first you have a square, the value of a is k, becomes k square plus 2 times of ab. Here our a is k and b is 1 plus b square, so b is 1 square, and this is equals to k square. And further, in the next step, here we need little bit simplifications, and we get this is k square plus 2 times of k plus this is 1 square, and 1 square becomes 1. This is plus k square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus k square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here, this is minus k square, this is plus k square, are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the value of k, so that we need to move all the other terms to the right hand side. And now you see, from here this is plus 1, we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 1. So in order to find the values of k, we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. So in order to remove this 2 from left hand side, we divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will be written as this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here k is equals to, this is minus 1 divided by 2, and this is the value of k. So here in the first method, we easily get the first root of the given equation, that is k is equals to minus 2. And in the next steps, we need to verify that is this root be the solution of the given equation, or is this root be the extraneous root. So for verification of this root, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k plus 1 is equals to k. This is our given question statement, and here we substitute the value of k on both of the sides, and we check the behavior of this equation. So when we put this value into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. And now further, in the next step, we need to take the LCM of left hand side, and when we take the LCM of left hand side, it will becomes, this is our 2, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here minus 1 only, and plus this is 2 times of 1 is equals to 2, and here we have this is minus 1 divided by 2. And further, in the next step, we have minus 1 plus 2 is equals to plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to, here in the right hand side we have minus 1 divided by 2. So you see on both of the sides, and you check that in the left hand side we have plus 1 over 2, and in the right hand side we have minus 1 over 2, and you see that both of the sides are not equal, because in one side the positive value and the other side is negative value, and positive and negative values are not equal each other. Okay, so if these two values are not equal, this means that the value of k is equals to minus 1 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this is not satisfied our given question statement, so this means that k equals minus 1 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. And you very well know about the extraneous root. The roots which is not satisfied our given question statements is called the extraneous root. So here we have k equals minus 1 over 2 be the extraneous root, and you see that we cannot get any other value of k. So it means that the solution, the final conclusion about solution is that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final conclusion in first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So here we solve this problem for second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is k plus 1 is equals to k. So in this method I can just conclude about the solution of this question directly, and you see here when we move this k to the right hand side, it will becomes plus 1 is equals to k minus k. This is positive k. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative k, and we obtain here 1 is equals to, this is k minus k becomes 0, and you see that 1 is not equals to 0 in general. So here you see that we cannot get any value of k in the second method. So this means that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this is the final conclusion about the solution chart of this problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.